Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel after 2 days. And Zenny Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is literature, and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic, literature review. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. And the viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Very important topic and main topic, literature review. Usually a literature review can be described as an objective, concise and critical summary of published research literature. A literature can be an end in itself, an analysis of what is known about a topic. Basic guidelines. The following are guidelines on how to write a literature review. First of all, organize the literature review around key topics of concepts. Use headings or topic sentences to convey your organizational principle. Second is tell a story about the research. This will assist you with your organization. Third, be selective. Be selective. Incorporate only studies that are pertinent to your subject. Synthesize and evaluate. Use a summary to assist the writer to relate every section to the wider topic and to clarify your argument's movement. Where have we just been and where are we heading to? Organizing tips. When writing your literature review, place background information. For example, explanation of a theoretical model or clinical situation at sections where it will be most helpful for your writers. For instance, if various researchers have utilized a similar theoretical approach, define that framework before reviewing those studies. Split your literature review into segments with appropriate descriptions following the guidelines of the documentation system you are using. Your outline provides the basis for this division since it has already clustered studies together under headings and subheadings. Conclude each section in your review with the summary section or paragraph. The summary's length out to reflect the length of the section. Conclude the whole review with the summary that recaps the most important aspects and findings. This final summary is also the section where you will make major comparisons, convey your opinion or critique the adequacy of research methods and approaches, and identify inconsistencies. Your critique enables you to end your literature review by posing unanswered questions, proposing approaches, upcoming research. गाइस, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक लिटरेचर रिव्यू. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. किसी और टॉपिक की ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं. आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वही टॉपिक मिलेगा. एंड वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माई वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.